Welcome to the eDues enrollment tutorial video, part 1, what you will need to collect before you enroll in eDues. This video should take less than 2 minutes to tell you what you need to collect before you're able to enroll in eDues. The process is very simple, and as you'll see, we've tried to make it as simple as we can for you. You'll need 4 things to enroll in eDues. First, you'll need your NEA member number. Second, you'll need your zip code on record with the union. You'll need your bank information. That includes the routing number for your bank and your account number. We recommend using the account that you receive your direct deposit into. Finally, you'll need a link to the eDues enrollment site. That link is included right here. That link is also available on our website, easel3616.org/eDues, if you prefer to click right through. To help you organize this information and to not have to search far and wide, you should have received a letter that looks like this. On this letter, you will see links to our website, links to the eDues website. Most importantly, you'll see your NEA member number printed. We've also left you convenient spaces to record your routing number and your account number, although that's not necessary. Once you have this letter and the account numbers collected, you're ready to proceed to step 2, which is actually going to the eDues site and enrolling in eDues. Thank you.